How to fix WhatsApp voice message not playing. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp voice message not playing. Well, if you are facing the issue of voice message not being played on WhatsApp, there are certain fixes that you'll have to try it out. Now first, make sure that your volume is not all the way down. You want to make sure that your volume is up. The second is, what you also want to do is, sometimes if you are using mobile data, you might have turned the option for it onto settings. So head into settings, head into here to storage and data. Here you can see how to download here audio. You want to set it on both Wi-Fi and cellular so that when you are using cellular data, your voice recordings aren't abrupted. Now sometimes also, if this doesn't help, if this is enabled, you want to head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure your app is updated to the latest version, and then simply restart your device, which should fix the issue. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.